All right, if you are like me and you are looking for a fast, easy way to get your foundation on and have a flawless, just didn't put in any effort kind of a look to your makeup, then I've got you covered. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite 5-minute quick routine to get my skin looking as though I just woke up looking this way. So if you are ready, let's dive right in because yeah, I need some makeup. Now before I get started, I like to pull out my eyeshadow color, my blush color, and anything I want to put on my lips just to make sure that I'm working from the same undertones so that I'm not adding something cool to my eyes and then something warmer to my cheeks and warm to my lips. I like sort of if I'm going for a cool look, I want a cool look that day. Now my eyes are usually pretty neutral, so I focus the majority of the ColourPop, usually ColourPop. That's not even a brand I'm holding, I don't think. Nope, e.l.f., Maybelline, and NYX. Anyway, I like to just make sure that the tone between all of these are pretty similar so that I'm not mixing and matching. So now that I've got that down, first thing I'm gonna do is grab this e.l.f. blush. And because we are doing it in a 5-minute, I'm just gonna quickly go right on the cheeks. And you may say, Jody, you don't have anything on your face yet. No, because I like to undersculpt when it comes to a quick 5-minute process. Just gonna add a little bit of blush. And you guys are probably like, why would I follow this makeup routine? Because that looks absolutely crazy. It does look crazy, but we're doing it in 5 minutes. And I'm gonna show you how flawlessly it works out. Doesn't that look beautiful? This is a process called undersculpting. It really helps give that flawless, no makeup look while still giving you a touch of color. So next I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Stay in Place Skin Tint. This is very much a like skin tint. You can put this right on your face. I just have never found that on my mature skin. That's a good idea. I get about that much. I'm gonna get a bunch of it on my damp beauty sponge and I'm gonna go all over my face. And I'm just pouncing and pushing, pouncing and pushing. You can see the pigmentation in my skin where I haven't put foundation yet or skin tint, and you'll see how nicely this covers. Now, if you like a little thicker look, you can put this on a brush and then put it on your hand. I just like for spring and summer, I like a little bit more of a less is more kind of approach to my skincare. I want my skin to look like skin, which isn't always the case. In the winter, I'm typically full glam every day. So just put that everywhere. I already had my eyes done, like I said, because this isn't an eye makeup look. This is a flawless foundation or complexion look. But look how nicely, once you put your foundation or your skin tint over that blush, see how it just gives you that really pretty, not even there kind of a flush look, which is super, super pretty for spring and summer. The damp beauty sponge with a skin tint like this just helps to thin out the formula and the consistency so that you're getting more of that healthy, pretty glow to your skin. It just makes your skin look a little better. It covers up some of the imperfections in the skin, but still looking like skin. I did not start using this till about, I don't know, 6 months ago, and I absolutely love it. I have it in color 112, by the way, for anybody that is wondering. So really pretty, just look at that beautiful glow. Next thing I'm gonna do is add just a touch of concealer. The only concealer I use now is this new Estee Lauder Double Wear. You guys, this stuff is absolutely amazing, and I will link the video that does my wear test so you can see how amazing it is. I'll link that right here for you so you can get on board with it. I have mature skin clearly, and it's 54 years old, and I don't crease under my eyes anymore with this concealer. You just need a little bit. I'm just gonna press it where I have the most discoloration. You can apply your concealer however you like. I just like to add a little bit, not right in the crease, and then softly move it where I want. But really when I say move it, I mean just sort of press it and spread it out. Once I have my concealer in, I'm just gonna go with a little bit of highlighter that has a little color in it, just to give a little more glow right to the high points of my cheeks. And then last, I will grab a fluffy brush, put a little bit of bronzer. This is the Buttermilk Bronzer by NYX, and this was the Buttermelt highlighter by NYX. And I'll link all this stuff down below. Anyway, I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer right in the figure 8 of my face. So around the top, down the sides and across the bottom. Do that on both sides. You can either think of it as a number 3 or a really big figure 8. Just to give myself a little bit of bronze. And I'm going fast because I told you guys this would only be 5 minutes. So just blend, blend, blend. Less is more. You don't want to add too much where you're blending past your 5-minute mark, because that can add a lot of time if you get too much product and then you are trying to blend it away. So just a little bit on the side of the nose, just for good measure. Last thing, I'm going to add a little bit of Lifter Gloss from Maybelline. Give myself a little kiss of color. I love this. I love the lip liners that I've shared with you guys before. Do I have one here? Yes. Lifter Liner by Maybelline, and now they have a Lifter Gloss. I absolutely love this combo. This is number 021. It's just a really pretty light pink. And then this is Big Lift. And I'm just going to quickly line the top and the bottom. And that's it, a super easy, light look for spring or summer that just says I put in a little bit of effort and I just look this great every day by using some of my favorite drugstore products. I'll link them down below, but use what you have. Just when it comes to spring and summer, think about switching out maybe your full coverage foundation for more of a skin tint. Let your skin get that pretty healthy glow. Undersculpt with your blush first, then your foundation, and then put a little bit of highlighter on top, and you are ready to run out the door and look fabulous all day. I hope this was a quick tutorial to help you get that flawless look that you're looking for this spring and summer, and I'll see you in just a couple days. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.